Alright, so for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to incorporate Doodly and Camtasia to make an animated video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create my Doodly project. And I've already imported the image that I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and to edit the image. And I'm going to go ahead and I've already sized up my paths, and now I'm going to start tracing the image, adding my points that I want Doodly to draw my image. Alright, I finished putting my paths. Now I'm going to go ahead and save and return. And let's go to preview. And I did a really quick job on the lines. You could do a lot better job. I'll watch that one more time. But for this, it does the purpose that I want. So now I'm going to go ahead and export this video. And save it wherever you'd like. And I'm going to choose 720 and export. Now I'm going to go ahead and import into Camtasia. So there's already a project I've been working on. So I'm going to go ahead and move all this over. And let's go ahead and import what we just made. Alright, so now that we've imported our video, I'm going to go ahead and bring over the remaining scenes. Line that up. So now it goes right into our object. And again, if this was for a customer, we could do a lot better job with resolution and whatnot. But just to give you an idea. So go ahead and click play. And now it goes right into my video. Now if you'd like to learn how to do the animation portion of that video, go over to instructme.net and look for the animation with Camtasia and Doodly.